Do you dream of acing the IELTS listening test and scoring a 9? Are you tired of struggling with this section of the exam? Well, we've got you covered. In this animated YouTube video, we'll share with you the top 10 insider tips and tricks that will help you boost your skills and achieve the elusive Band 9 score. Tip number 1. Predict your answers. Did you know that predicting your answers while reading the questions can help you find the correct answers easily while listening to the audio? Using keywords and headings, try to predict the answer. But keep in mind that the actual answer may be a synonym or a related word. Remember to use only the words given in the recording transcript. Tip number 2. Make notes as you listen. Taking notes of important content like dates, numbers, spellings, and keywords can help you answer questions easily. You can even write the answers and transfer them to the answer sheet at the end of the test. Don't forget to pay attention to details, as given information might be changed or discussed at a different point in the conversation. Tip number 3. Never leave any questions unanswered. Try answering all the given questions, even if you are not confident about the answers. Negative marks are not given for incorrect answers, so take your time and process the content spoken before providing your answers. Tip number 4. Understand the test format. Familiarize yourself with the test format before taking the IELTS listening section. This includes answering different types of questions, such as multiple choice, gap fill, and note-taking. Knowing what to expect will help you focus on developing the necessary skills to tackle each type of question. Tip number 5. Pay attention to every sentence. Signal words like however, because, and on the other hand can provide important clues about the speaker's intentions and content. Recognizing these signal words will help you better understand the speaker's message and answer related questions correctly. Tip number 6. Look for synonyms and paraphrases. The IELTS listening test often includes synonyms and paraphrases, which can be confusing. Practicing with different listening or reading materials can help you become more familiar with synonyms and paraphrases, which will help you score higher on the test. Tip number 7. Never spend too much time on one answer. If you are not able to identify the answer for a long time, you might have skipped it. You cannot go back and forth listening to the audio for identifying the answer. If you are not able to answer, skip the question and try answering the next question. You can come back to predict the answer to the skipped question. Tip number 8. Attention to distractors. Pay attention to every detail mentioned in the audio to choose the correct answer. The speaker may express one opinion at the start and can reverse it later. Don't get carried away by distractors. Tip number 9. Focus on pronunciation. Focusing on pronunciation and intonation plays a significant role in understanding spoken English. You can practice by listening to native speakers, mimicking their pronunciation and intonation, and recording yourself for self-assessment. Tip number 10. YOLO. You only listen once. Remember, you can only hear the recordings once. While practicing, only hear the audio once and try to make it a habit. Practice is key when it comes to improving your listening skills. Implementing these tips in your practice sessions will help you achieve the score you have been aiming for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on IELTS and other exams. Please share your tips and tricks that have helped you score a 9 in the IELTS.